Hey friends, I'm Diane and welcome to my farmstead dream. Today I need to wash my apples and I just thought I would share the process with you because our apples are coated in a waxy shellac to quote unquote help preserve them and preserve the moisture in them and keep them crispy. But that shellac is not good for you at all. They say that it's food grade or, edible, but there are, some nasty things that come along with that. Did you know that shellac or wax that they put on there comes from a bug in India called the lac beetle, and they take that substance and put it on our fruit. Yuck. So I'm going to wash my fruit. So first I'm going to put it in a big bowl. I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda on it because this process will help to remove that shellac without hurting the fruit. Okay, so I'm just adding a little more baking soda. And then we're going to take white vinegar and we're going to pour that over the apples with baking soda. And this is my favorite part. I love the fizz. It's a chemistry thing, I guess. But I enjoy this process. So I've got my vinegar in there, and now we're going to fill it up with warm water. You want to make sure that you use warm water because the shellac they use has been proven not to be soluble in cold water. In other words, it will not come off if you use cold water. You have to use warm water, okay? And so I usually fill up my bowl and I let my apples, or whatever fruit that you're washing, I let it soak for a while in this solution just to make sure that I get all of that substance off of it before I decide to eat my fruit. And if you've never done this before, once you do it, you will taste such a difference. So now I want to make sure that my fruit is fully submerged in that water. So I'm just going to put a plate on top to kind of hold it down, and then I just fill up that little cup with water just to give it enough weight to make sure that my fruit stays under the water and in that solution while it's soaking. So make sure you wash your fruit, guys, because it will make a huge difference. And once I've let them soak, I let these soak for several hours while I was cooking supper. So then I'm just going to take my plate and cup out of the way, and I'm going to start rinsing them off and scrubbing. Now, you can scrub like this with your hands, and it works okay, but it doesn't get everything off. And I realized that after I washed several, and then I remembered, wait, I'm not supposed to be using my hands because that doesn't work as well. You want to grab like a vegetable brush. I have a little brush sitting close to my sink. Look at this wax. You see that wax? Or shellac? Yuck. Do you want that in your body? So anyways, use a brush and that will get all of the wax off. And look how clean they look. And listen, you'll hear the difference. Because before with the wax on it, it would not squeak. So like, subscribe, share, comment, and ring the notification bell. Big hugs.